1, good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Just for a while. Let's see. Kick the water. Do the ano na ate.
Coach, inom na po ako.
Please. I want you to punta muna ako dito sa bandang gitna. Let's see. Stay here where you kung saan ka na-pick kanina dito. Di ba komportable ka sa heart shape, di ba? You want to breathe? Breathe. Tapos continue ka lang na magpa-flutter kick. Do the heart shape again. Tapos tatapusin mo itong track na to. Okay? Sabihin mo pag ready ka na. Breathe. Alag. Breathe. Heart shape. Very good. Heart shape. Here. Here. Lapit ka ako. Heart shape. Tapusin mo. Tapusin mo, Lexi. Very good. Finish it. Very good. Beautiful. Very good. Very good. Huwag kang belo dyan. Babos. Ito babos. Babalik ka. Wait ha. Don't nervous. But always do the hard kick. Put your hands forward. While you're doing flutter kick. Para yung pwersa ka kapag gusto mo yung hinga. Hindi ka na? Okay, hindi ka lang. Don't kick the wall. Very good. Very good. The hard kick. Okay, I'm here. Come on. Don't stop kicking. Come on, I'm here. I'm here. Let's see. Finish it. Finish it. I'm here. I'm here. Do threading. Do the threading. Do the threading. Very good. Nice. You can do the threading. Hindi ka naman lumubog eh. Di ba? Even you stop, hindi ka man lumubog. Nakalitaw yung ulo mo na